Hey guys, this is Burr with Inside Outline and welcome back to another Cricut business video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 10 different emails you should be sending in your Cricut business. So first, you want to send emails to your customers so that you can stay top of mind as part of your marketing strategy, okay? The first email that you want to send is the welcome email. So regardless of how the customer got onto your email list, whether they signed up to an email form or whether they purchased from you, you definitely want to send that welcome email so that customers can get to know a little bit more about you, about your business, and what to expect from your business overall. The second email that you want to send are product showcase emails. And with these emails is basically showing off new designs and creations that you have within your overall business. The third email that you want to send are new arrival emails. And with this is basically sharing new products that you've added to your shop. The fourth type of email that you want to send are discounts and promotions. So with this, basically what you're doing is encouraging customers to go and purchase on your website so that they can take advantage of a deal or some type of special that you're offering. The fifth type of email is cart abandonment. So basically whenever customers add things to the cart and they don't finish purchasing those items, when you send a cart abandonment email, that basically reminds them to go ahead and finish purchasing that item. The sixth type of email that you should be sending are customer reviews or testimonials. And basically this is asking customers to either leave a review on a product or leave a testimonial on a product, because as we both know, whenever customers see that you have reviews on a project or on a product, that's going to be one of the first things that they look at to see how other people's experiences were. So definitely be sure to ask for those reviews and testimonials. The seventh type of email that you want to send are order confirmation emails. And basically after someone purchases something from your shop, you want to send a order confirmation. Now most times, depending on the software or the platform that you have, this email will automatically be generated and sent to your customer. So you definitely want to make sure that if you need to go in on the back end and kind of, switch up how that order confirmation email looks, you definitely want to be sure to do that as well. The eighth type of email that you should be sending to your customers is a shipping update. So obviously whenever a customer purchases something, they will get an order confirmation email. And then whenever the order is actually shipped, you definitely want to make sure that you send a shipping confirmation so that the customer can track the package for themselves as well. The ninth type of email that you should be sending are re-engagement emails. And basically, if you have subscribers that have not, interacted with your content, have not opened any emails in a long time, you definitely want to send them emails to get them back engaging with your content and the products on your website. So don't be shy just because someone has not opened or clicked on any of your emails in a long time. You definitely want to make sure that you re-engage them. And at some point in time, if they're not engaging at all, you definitely want to go ahead and remove them from your email list. The last type of email that you want to send in your Cricut business are newsletters. So basically what the newsletter is basically it shows like the behind the scenes of your business and shows, different things that you're doing in your community. If you're attending pop-up shops and things like that, you definitely want to include photos or videos from those as well. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video on the 10 different emails that you should be sending in your Cricut business. If you have any additional emails that you think people should be sending in their Cricut business, drop those down below in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.